Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fallout 2. This iconic role-playing game immerses you in a vast, post-apocalyptic wasteland. We'll start by exploring character creation, where your choices in skills, traits, and special attributes profoundly shape your journey. Then, we'll delve into the user interface, a vital tool for navigating the world and managing your inventory. Finally, we'll cover the fundamentals of its strategic, turn-based combat system, emphasizing the importance of action points. Creating your character is the first crucial step in Fallout 2. You'll decide on your gender and age, then distribute points across 7 special attributes like strength and intelligence. Next, pick 2 traits, which offer unique bonuses alongside specific drawbacks, adding depth to your character. Remember to allocate skill points wisely to abilities such as small guns, lockpick, or speech. Finally, tag 3 skills for a substantial starting boost, setting the foundation for your adventure. Fallout 2's world is vast and full of secrets waiting to be uncovered. Spend time exploring the expansive world map, which reveals new towns, dungeons, and random encounters. Engaging with non-player characters is key. They often provide vital information, offer quests, and can even join your party. Completing these quests not only advances the story, but also rewards you with valuable experience points, useful items, and improved reputation within various factions. Always manage your inventory, equipping the best gear for any challenge. Combat in Fallout 2 is a strategic, turn-based affair where every action point counts. You'll use these points for movement, attacking, and using items. A key tactic is targeting specific body parts, which can lead to critical hits or disable opponents more effectively. The game offers a wide array of weaponry, including small guns, energy weapons, and powerful melee options. Don't forget your companions. They can be invaluable allies in a fight, but remember to manage their inventory and tactics for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.